Okay, so in the main menu you would like to load flight 1 and 2, 3. Yeah, so we've got in the main menu we would like to load flight 1, 2, 3, generate report, and then exit. So that's the main functions or methods that we want in our project and from the main menu. Okay, so now these are the variables that we'll be using to for the whole program. So we got integer I, y, x, and we will explain what each one is. For now, let's just keep it like that. We got integer space 1 space 2 space 3, and it's, as it says, is used to for calculating space left over after you load each parcel for each flight. So space 1 space 2 space 3 for each flight, and then integer load limit 1. So as you saw in the chart, you've got for each flight you got the load. So load 1 is for flight 1, load 2 is for flight 2, load 3 is for flight 3. And then so I've got load 1 here, I've got weight 1, I've got total weight 1. All this is for flight 1, and then the total weight as well, the total of everything. And then we got the average utility, so average for all the flights, total average, revenue for all the flights altogether, and reading for entering trace at the menu. So at the main menu, when we want to enter our trace, first one, flight 1, 2, 3, this is the integer variable that we'll be using. Flight utilization 1, 2, 3, so flight 1, flight 2, flight 3. That's the utilization for all of it. The revenue for each of the flights, and this is variables for flight 2, flight 3, as you can see, the load limits and everything. Okay. We move on to the menu. In the menu, we are using the clear screen to clear the screen in order for everything to be displayed. Every time we use that, we just use it to clear the screen. And the library you should include for this is, so that is the library we should include in for the clear screen to work. We will get errors, so when we compile the code, you have to get rid of the H, because we might get errors as everything is already in the header file, so we don't need to put H at the end. The header file is already referred to with the H, but we'll come back to that one. So here's the main menu. Basically, this is how we want the program to look like. So this is the first page the user will see when they start the program. So they are presented to enter different pages. So if they enter one, it should display the program flight number 1 to load it, and if they enter choice number 2 and so forth. So let me just index this. I just So here's the main function or the menu, and then in the main menu we are using main void main because we don't need to return anything. We use the clear screen again, and then we use a do loop to then we call out the main menu, which is this, which is the main menu, and then we tell it to go to XY 1522, XY 1520. Sorry, we continue with SY 1522, and SY 1522 we get the user to enter their choice. So they will have to enter choice 1, 2, 3 or 4, and in here in the next one we will use a switch statement and give it the choice, the integer choice for that menu. Okay, so it's a do while loop, as I mentioned already. And then in the do while loop, we want them to enter their choice as we described in the chart, taking their choice, store it in a CE, and then use a switch statement to take in the choice, and then say choice 1 break, choice 2 break, choice 3 break, choice 4, and then the default invalid menu if you don't enter the right menu, and then it will ask you to press any key, and once you press that any key, it will clear the screen and take you, it should take you back to 1. Okay, so just to emphasize a little bit about the get ch, it's just a function from C++. It's actually a C function, and it's used to get a character from the console. So this little switch, this little the main menu is done using a do while. So the do will call the main menu, just and display over there, and enter at the end of it, it will ask to enter the choice. So this is how it looks like. It calls the menu, which is all this, and then at the end of it, it will ask you to enter your choice, and then you will use the switch statement to continue. And in the switch statement, it should be able to do what the user enters. And then in the while loop, we say if choice is not equal to 1, if it's not equal to 1, and choice is not equal to 2, it's not equal to 3, and it's not equal to, and it's not equal to 4, 5 and 4. So we are saying that it should do it unless it's not equal to any of the choices provided.